Miguel, do my eyes deceive me?
I'd rather keep it real with ya. Real hot girl shit.
Hey guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel. So around a year ago I did a video where I let guys on Tinder pick my makeup. I basically asked them like, oh, natural or full coverage, and that would pick the foundation I wore or something. We met a lot of questionable individuals. I thought I would do a part 2. I listed some video ideas on my second Instagram account and like let you guys pick, and you guys picked this one, so gotta give the people what they want, like what to deliver. So right now I'm gonna go work out and then I'm gonna come wash my face and then start the video. But I just wanted to add on, I'm doing the Chloe Ting's 2-week workout, and I'm not making a video on it because I was like, I don't want them to watch me do mountain climbers. But once I'm done with it, if you guys want or are interested, I'll include like before and after pictures in some random video. But yeah, time to go get this ass fat, guys. It's not gonna do it by itself. Okay, I just finished working out.
And it went like...
Bro, this girl is not human. She's not. She's not. Body, lose control, body. I can't. Oh my god. Do it for hot girl summer. Do it for hot girl summer. Do it for hot girl summer. Hot girl summer. It's making me stallion. I'm wearing my dad's tank top. That's why it's so big. But guys, yesterday I waxed my armpits and then I sat in the sun for like 2 hours today, and now look at my armpit. Like, it's not right. It hurts so bad. And then same on this one. Okay, so I'm downloading Tinder right now. Guys, I'm on Tinder. I'm so nervous. I'm literally so nervous. Maybe when I haven't talked to guys for like a year. So first of all, I'm gonna put my hair up and then go cleanse my face from all the sweat and all that gross stuff. I should have put a fake name. I put my real name. No. You fucking kidding me? You kidding me? I'm just gonna swipe right on everyone. Oh, I got a match already. I'm out of likes. I'm sorry guys, I'm not paying to swipe right on people. So let me update you guys on my broken camera. As you guys know, I literally bought a whole new camera. It's not here yet, so I'm still using my broken one. It's literally taped right now. Like, I taped it back together until my other one comes here. But literally right after the camera ships, this girl DMs me and she's like, hey, by the way, you can just order the tiny screws off of Amazon and like screw everything back together. And I was like, you've got to be fucking kidding me. Jacob said, are you here for the mustache rides or the love and affection? The mustache rides? Is that a dirty joke? Plan on growing a mustache so I can give free mustache rides. What the hell does that even mean? I'm here for the mustache rides. I don't even know what the hell that is. I'm gonna let Jacob decide if we should do a full coverage foundation or like a natural tint. Are you here for the full coverage or the natural? Okay, while I wait for Jacob to reply, I'm gonna put primer on. Jacob, natural, please. No, natural. Just surprise me. Okay, we're gonna do natural then. Yes, I wanted to do natural foundation. I got this Clinique foundation a long time ago, but I never used it. It might be expired, it probably is. But I'm gonna use it because I really wanna try. It's supposed to be really natural. What? Just anyways. Oh my goodness. While I blend this, I'm gonna ask the next person the next question, which is gonna be concealer. So how would I ask that? Oh, dark or light? Dark circles or light circles? There you go, that's something. Quick question, if your left leg is Thanksgiving, your right leg is Christmas, can I visit between? Alex, I'm reporting you. Sorry, buddy. We won't tell Alex. You better not. 690s. Wants to visit in between my legs for the holidays. Submit. Look at me out here doing charity work. Robert said, hey, if nothing lasts forever, I want you to be my nothing. These dudes are so corny. Dark or light? I'm just gonna ask him in case he doesn't reply. Michael, dark or light? You're cute. You look like you would ruin my life though. You bored as hell right now too? I don't know. This man has bad intentions. This man is horny. Dark or light? Guys, I think I literally have to buy more swipes if I want to do this because it's not letting me. Oh, we got a reply. The first one to reply was Aaron. Y'all know why he replied so fast though? It's because he's horny. Okay, so he said dark. So that means natural concealer. I'm going to use the NYX Born to Glow. Okay, under the eyes. Chin. Alright. Okay, so now I'm going to ask about setting powder. So I'm either going to do vanilla powder or translucent powder. Colton said, "You are very pretty." Thank you, Colton. Translucent or vanilla? This guy just texted me, so he better reply right away. I'm going to say translucent or vanilla. He said, "What does that mean?" Can y'all just answer the question, please? Okay. Moises said translucent powder. We love him. King. He knows what he's talking about. Okay, so I'm going to do eyebrows while I let the translucent powder sit. So let's do thick or thin. I'm going to do thick or thin because my eyebrows aren't that thick. Okay, guys. I think for the sake of the video, I'm literally going to spend my money on Tinder. Double click to confirm. I spent $20 on Tinder. Okay, but now I can swipe right on everyone, so I'm going to do that. Oh, you know, I was swiping right on everyone, but let's just see what he says. Okay, Tuna said thick, so we're gonna do thick eyebrows, just more voluptuous. Okay, I'm just gonna fill in all the bald spots in my eyebrows and then underline it. I think this is one of my favorite new brow products. It's called the Gimme Brow from Benefit, and it's like a brow gel and it has fibers in it. It just makes your eyebrows look way thicker than they are. Okay, I'm done with my eyebrows. I'm gonna wipe off the translucent powder that's everywhere now. This man said, "Help me get over my ex." We're gonna swipe left. Miguel? Do my eyes deceive me? I'm close to deleting this app. No one ever texts back, so I'm gonna just try this new line. Actually, it's not a line, lol. I'm going to shove my... Say less.
Oh, say less.
Kidding, guys, I'm kidding. It's a joke. So we're gonna do eyeshadow. So I'm gonna put a little bit of concealer on my eyelids just so I could get ready. So we have a couple of guys to pick from. First of all, let me pick an eyeshadow palette that I want to use. Okay. I made my decision. I'm either gonna use the Amrezi palette or Soft Glam and Sultry. Guys, my Tinder keeps crashing. Like, look, it'll open. Just watch. Also, it's getting a little bit cold, so I'm gonna switch into a hoodie. Look how cute this hoodie is, guys. It's so cute. A designer on Instagram, I'll put his app right there. He sent it to me. He's so good. Like, his work is all like chef's kiss. Let's go to light skin on a bike. Hey, Amrezi or Sultry? I'm no mathematician, but I'm pretty good with numbers. Tell you what, give me yours and I'll show you what I could do with it. What, text me? What a magic trick. Do you like butterflies, or is that just a coincidence with your dress? I love butterflies. Amrezi or Sultry? I would take you to the movies if they weren't shut down, but they don't allow snacks anyways. Movies is the worst first date idea. None of these guys are interesting. Like, come on. Give me some personality. They're all like, hey, you're pretty. Like, okay, we got a reply. Okay, he said sultry, so we're gonna do a soft glam moment, a little sultry moment. Okay, so I'm gonna take the shade Burnt Orange. I'm gonna use that like as a transition shade. I'm gonna zoom you in so you can see more. My camera's dying. I've never done this, like done one eye on camera and then done the other off camera. I always do both eyes at once because I don't want to mess up, but I think for the sake of my camera dying, I'm just gonna do this eye on camera real quick, and then I'm gonna do this one the same off camera. And then I'm gonna take the shade Rustic and I'm gonna kind of outline a new crease, but not really, you know, like, and then I'm gonna like drag it out like a little, like that. And I'm going to take more of that same shade Rustic and I'm just going to blend more into the crease just so there's more depth. I don't think I've ever done eyeshadow this fast. Okay. And then I'm going to take the shade Orange Soda and I'm going to go right above where I put Burnt Orange and just kind of highlight. Get off mine. Damn. I'm not your... Okay, and then from the Sultry palette, I'm going to take the shade Dystopian. I'm going to like blend it into the bottom of my lid, but just kind of drag it out. I'm going to get a curved brush like this just like her. Concealer. I'm gonna do a half cut crease, but I'm gonna do it really light. Like, I'm not gonna make it really defined. It's just very soft. So my camera's been charging for like 20 minutes. I think that should be enough time. In between those 20 minutes, I went ahead and did the other eye, and I also cleaned up the sides of both with concealer. So I'm gonna take the Sultry palette, and I'm gonna take Pearl and Rose Quartz, and then put it on the crease. Oh, yes sir! That's hot. That's hot. So before I do any eyeshadow on my lower lash line, I'm gonna ask them for contact. So I'm gonna ask brown or green, which is either my natural eye color or green contacts. Holy hell, you're gorgeous. Your finger must have slipped. We like confident men here. We're not responding to him. 21 questions. Whenever a guy asks to play 21 questions, they're like, oh cool, what's your favorite color? And it's like pink. And then 2 questions and they're like, are you a virgin? If a guy asks to play 21 questions, run away. Run away. This guy is like precious. Are you talking about palettes or butterflies? Sorry, I don't know much about either. Wait, palettes. He knows what I was talking about? Palettes. How did you know? Okay, who else? Brown or green? Sultry. You so good. Brown or green? Get me out of here. I hate it here. We're gonna listen to Starships by Nicki Minaj while we wait for a reply. Nicki Minaj. Nicki Minaj. This chapstick is parsley flavored, and I thought I would hate it, but I love it. Oh wow, 3 guys in a row said green, so... Oh no. No, 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 no. Don't cry. Guys, literally, I did my makeup yesterday, and then I cried it off 30 minutes later. I'm gonna take orange soda on a really tiny brush. Oh, I sound congested now. Okay, right under my eye. Dystopian from the Sultry palette, and then I'm gonna put it directly underneath my lash line. Now for the inner corner highlight, I'm gonna take Cyborg. My 2 favorite mascaras at the moment are both NYX, so it's either On the Rise or Worth the Hype. I like this guy. The only picture he has is a meme. My type of man. Hello, such a nice everything. Thank you. On the Rise. Why can't they just answer? Question mark. Just pick one. I said ha ha ha, just pick one. Okay, Kuba said Worth the Hype. And my camera's literally dying again. Again, a fucking again. I put on some hoops and I did my mascara. Isaiah replied, can't say I've tried either mascaras, lol, but Worth the Hype does have better reviews. Ah, guys, I love him. This is the new angel. This is the angel of this video. I know these brands. Anastasia, Beverly Hills. He knows what he saw. Honestly, a keeper. I'm gonna date Angel after this. Start making your ship edits now. Your hubby material. So for bronzer, I'm gonna either have them pick between ABH and Hoola. ABH or Hoola. This guy's gonna be like, what is she talking about? I'm sorry, but I could never date a guy named Jonathan because one of my best friends is named Jonathan. I would just think of him the whole time, and that's so weird. I said ABH or Hoola, and he said Ola, so I'm gonna use Hoola. I haven't used this in a while. I've low-key been using ABH a lot more. Do you guys know that there's like something wrong with my face muscles? When I was little, my face would always twitch on its own, and then I would be able to like tap any part of my face and just like any part of my face would twitch, but now there's only like one spot. It's like, look. Oh, further. Yeah, I just thought that'd be cool to show you. I still can't believe I spent $20 just to swipe right on guys on Tinder. That is so sad. I mean, like, no offense to anyone that like you like, okay, I'm just okay. Now I'm gonna ask for blush. Guys, my husband Isaiah replied. I love this man. And did you actually use the proper you're honestly a heaven sent and definitely wifey material. He knows the difference between your and your too. Ah! Guys, I have a crush. I'm gonna heart that message because he acknowledged my good grammar. Got him. I'm running out of storage. ABH or Tarte. Hold on, guys. So I was swiping right on a bunch of guys, right? And I noticed this guy has the same bio as the other guy. Not my baby, just holding it for a friend. Thinking about growing a mustache so I can give free mustache rides. What does that mean? Like, am I let's go on Urban Dictionary. I'm here for the mustache rise. I don't even know what the hell that is. Moving on. Anyways. Why am I tearing up? Oh my god. Why does he have straight man in his bio as if that's it? As if that's a personality trait. Trey? I was like, yo, Trey, do you think you could buy me a bottle of rosé? Okay, let's get it now. I'm with a bad bitch, he's with his friends. I'm gonna say hi, say keys to the Benz. Keys to the Benz? Keys to the Benz. My yeah, beats to the 10. If a bitch try to get cute, I'm sorry. Then I go, Louis, like, excuse me, I'm sorry. I'm really such a lady. I rep Young Money, you know Slim, baby. And we be doing donuts while we wave in the 380s. We give a lot of money to the babies out in Haiti, yelling all around the world. Do you hear me? Do you like my body? And I'm Nikki. Rest in peace, Anna Nicole Smith. Yes, my J so explosive. Say hi to Mary, Joseph. Now bottoms up and double bottoms stitch. Bottoms up, bottoms up. Isaiah replied. He said, as much as I think having a salon locally is cool, I'm going to have to side with Tarte Contour on this one. It's a little more expensive, but the reviews are higher and it looks like a better product. Aww. I'm not using the contour, I'm using the blush, but he said Tarte, so we're gonna use Tarte. On my nose, like that. I wish my camera battery would just last for like a day of recording. Next is highlight. So this time I actually have 3 options for highlight. Either a powder highlight, a loose highlight, or a liquid highlight. Okay, now I'm gonna copy and paste that to everyone. Okay, Hunter replied. He said liquid. I'm gonna use the Becca liquid highlighter. This I'm pretty sure is meant for body highlight, but I used it on my face one time and I was like, wow, this is something different. Ain't nobody doing this no more. And I'm just gonna tap it in. Okay. They're not. Whoa! I know you saw that. So I didn't really spend any time at all like picking in between lipsticks. I just picked 2 of my current favorites, which is always clear lip gloss. It will always be clear lip gloss. And this ABH one. Literally so pretty. It's like pink and sparkly. Love it. Anyway, so I'm gonna ask them clear or pink. Are y'all seeing this? Are you guys seeing Isaiah's response right now? I might have to simp. I might have to simp. Stop, we get butterflies. I'm blushing. I'm starting to think you just swiped right for my dog or something because you're way out of my league. Okay, now I'm gonna swipe left out of the conversation because you are not confident, sir. Clear or pink? Clear or pink? Clear or pink? Okay, so I just got a reply. Elias said, pink? This is peachy with 3 Y's. So we're done. We're done. Okay, guys, ready? We're deleting Tinder. Bye. This was actually so much fun to do. It was really boring at first. We weren't getting any entertaining guys, but you know, I just had to spend some $20 and found the love of my life, Isaiah. We love him. So sad. I'm never gonna be able to talk to Isaiah ever again. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Oh, what a beautiful